Hey, so if you want to make your videos look more dynamic with AI visual effects, you can actually do it pretty easily using Dola AI. In this video, I'll show you the full process step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. If you're new, just create one using your email. Yeah, it's quick. Once you're in, look for the video editor or AI effects tool. That's where you'll add visual effects to your content. Now, upload the video you want to enhance. This could be a vlog, tutorial, or promotional clip. Next, select AI visual effects like glow, motion blur, cinematic lighting, or stylized filters. Then apply the effects to your video clips. You can add them to the whole video or just specific scenes. Now adjust the intensity, speed, and style of each effect to match your video mood. Next, you can add extra enhancements like transitions, color correction, or background effects to make it more polished. Finally, preview your video. If everything looks good, export it in high quality. Yeah, that's how you can add AI visual effects using Dola AI. It's a simple way to make your videos look more professional and engaging. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.